All right, today is chapter 10, test day. So we're going to be taking a test. I want to walk you through, first off, from PowerSchool Learning, you would go to chapter 10 and down to the very bottom, the chapter 10 exam, and you click this link. Now, before you don't do this yet, I'm going to walk you through a review, but our test is going to be different today. DISD, they're going to vote on Thursday whether or not to have ACPs or not. So some people have already talked about this, but the Dallas Independent School District has not actually made their decision yet. So Thursday night will be the night. If they do, they're going to be using School City. So chapter 10 test is going to be through School City. If you click that link, it's going to open up School City. You want to be careful. Yeah, I don't want to show off grades, but it'll open up a new site that's through Clever. That's through Clever. So if you ever just log into Clever, what it would look like, yours is going to be a little different than mine. Mine's going to say teacher and staff. This is the app right there, School City. Mine says teachers and staff. I think it's down on near the bottom for you. The tool somewhere down here is, oh, there it is. So mine's under teacher and staff resources. But yours will be down there at the bottom as well. You can favorite it like I did to make it go up top. But that's what we're going to take in a little bit. Don't click that yet. Oh, and from Google Classroom, it would be chapter 10 exam right there. That would be your link. But before we move on, let's review for a little bit. And so there's these problems I'm going to work on here. And I'm going to show you from the digital resources. I have, if you might have already watched the YouTubes, I don't know. There's a blank copy of what I'm about to work through. The Desmos pre-program. Now here's the setup I would encourage for you in the test. When you go to take the test, I would actually click this link, and when it opens up, for me it's not going to work because the student app is different than the teacher app. But for you it'll open up. I would suggest you have this on one side of your screen as a tab, and then on the other side of the screen you end up opening up the pre-programmed Desmos graphs. Now what I'm about to walk through is the test is over these last three, and I'm going to keep this open all the way through. And I would recommend you have your test on one side of the screen and these three on the other side, because I have created calculators over the weekend for you that should be able to solve all these problems really easily. Let me show you. So I'm going to go through the review, you take notes, and then you'll take the test after the review.